Hi, today I want to show you how the head unit that come with the Nissan Sentra, actually 2019 Nissan Sentra, and the model, the lowest model that we got for our daughter is Nissan Sentra S. So the head unit or the radio doesn't come with the ability or compatible with the CarPlay that can hook up with the phone, and you can use the Siri and everything to help you driving safer. So I'm upgrade from the factory radio to the one that have ability to use the CarPlay and Android Play. So this is the result. I bought aftermarket unit and install it. And the downside of it, after I replaced the radio with the new unit, is the dashboard is we not be able to set the clock on that. We try everywhere on YouTube and everything. It still could not reset or set it to the right time. And another thing, it used to have the music information pop up when you play the music on the dashboard, what song you playing. It doesn't show that either. And another thing is the steering. There is a my button that support when you press the mic button over here. Where is it? I can't focus. There we go. It doesn't work. It doesn't link with the new unit. And I call the company that I hook up. This radio is hooked up with the interface unit. They said it's not gonna work, so you have to use whatever the new unit have. So that's the downside. 3 different things that doesn't work on the dashboard and steering wheel control. So now my daughter have ability to hook up her iPhone with her new radio. So that's all it, the new one. Here we go.